Good evening, everybody. We have a really neat sky today. No contrails, unfortunately, so planes are going to be a little difficult to find, but we'll see what we can do. It's like all kinds of stuff. We got some cirrus clouds up here. I don't know if these are cumes or altos, but some fun stuff to contend with. Enjoy! We got an American E-175 from Rapid City to Dallas. I'm actually really excited to see it because I've been out here for like 10 minutes just looking. This is really frustrating, guys. Like, somewhere right there is actually about to go on that poofy cloud, so we might be able to see it on the screen. It's a PC-12 going from Ponca City to Denver Centennial. No, missed it. Maybe you'll see it on the image there. I don't know. He went behind that cloud now. Well, we don't have any planes around at the moment, so let's see if we can get a bird or two. I know that there's a comment on a video not so long ago asking about the types of birds that are chirping in the background. And quite honestly, I have no idea. But you guys will probably know. Where is that guy? The bird there. We have two more chances to get aircraft. One's a United A320 going from Memphis to Denver, and the other one is a E-175 going from Wichita to Denver. So we'll see if we can get those. But if not, we're calling it a night. Clutching at straws here, but that's a really neat cloud. Nah, this should be a Flexjet Challenger 350. Somewhere coming out from behind that cloud, I think. It's at 45,000 feet, but chances are slim that we will actually get it. But it's worth a shot. Quite a few of them in that trailer. You should call this a bird watching video. There's the Memphis to Denver, out of focus. But we found it. Now let's turn around and find that Wichita to Denver. I don't know what it is. Looks like a United to me, but you know me. I'm wrong all the time. Just excited that we got a plane. Ooh. FedEx 767. That is from Indianapolis to Phoenix. And it's shaky. So I tried something a little new. I made the camera a little taller than me, almost eye level. So we'll see if that makes it any easier to catch anything. It's quite shaky. But we still got a plane in relatively decent focus as I jinx myself. Anyway, I was going behind that cloud anyway, so it'll be coming out of this guy. That sounds terribly wrong. He'll be popping out somewhere here. Assuming the airplane's a guy, we don't know. No, it went behind that one. So, on to the next one. Delta A321. Number to Atlanta. Yeah, I'm not liking the tripod being so far up because it's not working out very well. E-175 from Tulsa to Denver going behind the cloud. I was zoomed so far out because the focus wasn't cooperating again. See if we can catch it on the other side. Unless we get this southwest going the opposite direction first. Oh, there it is. Let's see. There's the Tulsa to Denver. It's a FedEx 777 going from Memphis to Anchorage. Must be some kind of weather going on the eastern part of the state because they're all going through the Dallas area. From Memphis anyway. This focus is going to be the end of my good mood. Little Piper Cherokee.
We'll go ahead and end here. My apologies, this isn't really my best work, but we got a good variety of aircraft and birds in this one. Thanks for watching, everybody.